What is up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be applying fabric protector for the seats of this 2014 Nissan Versa Note. But first, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell so you don't miss out of any of the new videos. Also, don't forget to click the like button and comments any ideas you might have. Now, let's get into the video. So this is the fabric protector that I will be applying to this 2014 Nissan Versa Note. It's Scotch Guard made by 3M. This is an auto fabric and carpet water shield. And it's good for fabric seats, floor mats, car seats, auto carpet, trunk, and cargo space. So this Scotch Guard will protect your seats from stain from spilled drinks or anything that can stain your seats. So the Scotch Guard has to be applied in a well ventilated area. For us to do that inside this car, now we have to open all the windows. So before we apply the Scotch Guard, we have to vacuum all the seats. So first, before we apply the Scotch Guard, we have to shake it really well. Then after shaking, you have to hold the can 6 inches away from the fabric. And we're gonna do an overlapping motion like this. 6 inches away, overlapping motion. So after the first application, we have to wait at least half an hour for it to dry before we do the second coat. So for better protection, you need to do the second coat instead of one heavy coat. So now after 30 minutes, we're gonna do the second coat. Now we have to wait another half an hour. After half an hour, then the process will be complete. I hope you liked the video. I hope this video helped you protect your seats from any stains that can be happening in the future. Especially now, a lot of people are doing takeouts and drive-throughs. So with this video, I hope it helps you protect your seats. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.